Hi, I'm Lou Adzima. I'm in the shop today with my modified camera stand. This is a design that I saw from Jay Bates and a few others that were online. The idea is to create a smaller footprint to support your camera. And Jay used a concrete bucket filled with concrete. I've used a chair stand from a roll-around desk chair and mounted this pipe to it. And I'm beginning to shoot more with my GoPro camera than my Sony video camera. So I printed this bracket pipe clamp, 3D printed, and took a piece of 1/4-inch plexiglass, put a 90-degree bend in it, and I can mount my GoPro camera on there and attach it. To the standard, and it generally does everything that I want it to do as far as reaching over. Or I can use the zoom function on the lens to get up closer on stuff. I like that so much that I thought I'd print another clamp that I could put my Sony camera on. And shoot with it either separately or at the same time. If I wanted to, I could have two camera setups. I also have a little light mounted here for fill. In fact, if you need more light, you can actually attach your studio LCD light to this, point that off to the side, turn it, and if you don't have enough camera views yet, this is a Manfrotto clamp that I bought years ago for clamping on light standards. You can actually clip your iPhone on, and now you've got a 3-camera setup. If that's not enough light, you can even add some incandescent light. So if you want to stick around, I'll show you how I built this. To get started, I removed the seat from the chair base, and I was cleaning up the paint from the base to allow me to weld some braces that are going to support the main column. Next, I prepared the vertical stanchion, and I cut this notch in it to allow the handle lift mechanism on the chair movement to work. I didn't know if there was going to be any future use for it, but I don't see any practical application for it, so I don't feel it's really necessary to do that. I ground some concave areas into these braces just so that they would fit up against the stanchion a little bit better. So after I used this for a while with just the clamp and the GoPro camera on it, it worked okay, but it was a little bit difficult to get it adjusted exactly where you wanted to photograph. So I come up with an idea. If I had a horizontal mount, I could make it more usable. So after I screwed around all that time trying to get that screw into the base of that GoPro mount, I realized that if I just took the thumb screw loose, I could flip the whole unit over and turn it around and it would be facing the right direction. Hey, thanks for watching. I sure appreciate it. One of the things that you might have saw in the last scene was that this arm deflected a little bit when I put it on. And it's a suggestion on how to fix that is either just put a pin through here or just another small bolt to hold that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with someone you think you'd use it. And please hit that subscribe button and give us a like.